It's a tale of 3 old cars and 1 ambitious dream. Watch as Axe's garage channel transforms scraps into a stunning custom Bugatti replica. Watch as Volgatti's transformation demonstrates mind-blowing creativity and results. Axe's works with multiple donor cars. As seen from their channel, the group acquired a Ford Probe to serve as the base for the project. And for the retro design, Axe's chose GAZ21 Volga. Before any building could begin, the team needed to develop a clear vision for their unique car. Axe's wanted the Volgatti to be more than just a replica. It had to be a perfect blend of retro style and modern-day performance. The goal all the way was attention to detail. You can see from their channel how imaginative each of the components is. The first step in dismantling and fabrication involves stripping the donor cars. This meticulous process required dismantling the base car, along with additional vehicles, to collect parts that could be repurposed for the Volgatti. The team carefully removed components such as the engine, suspension, and interior fittings, ensuring that any reusable parts were preserved while discarding those that were damaged or irrelevant to the project. This step was critical, as it provided the foundational elements for the custom build and allowed the team to focus on what was truly needed to bring their vision to life. Once the donor cars were stripped, the next stage was to assess the condition of the frame, which would serve as the backbone of the Volgatti. The team inspected the chassis for any signs of wear, rust, or structural weakness and determined the reinforcements necessary to handle the new design. The Ford chassis required extensive reconfiguration and strengthening to support the Volga's larger and more angular body shell. To ensure a stable and secure fit, custom subframes and mounting brackets were fabricated. These bespoke components were designed to distribute the weight evenly and provide a strong base for attaching the new body panels. The fabrication process involved cutting away sections of the original floor plans, wheel wells, and lower body panels to accommodate the redesigned structure. This stage required precision and expertise to ensure the modifications didn't compromise the integrity of the chassis. By the end of this phase, the donor car's frame was transformed into a reinforced, reconfigured base, ready to support the ambitious design of the Volgatti. Through careful dismantling and innovative fabrication, the team laid the groundwork for the stunning custom car they envisioned. To attach the Volga's body securely to the Ford subframes, custom mounting points were fabricated, ensuring a stable and durable foundation. Using a CNC machine for millimeter-level precision, foam pieces were carved, assembled, and glued to create the hood, roof, and rear of the car. High-strength adhesives held the foam sections together, while careful alignment ensured perfect symmetry. The foam underwent an extensive refinement process with sanding tools used manually to smooth the surface and contour larger areas like the roof to match Volgatti's flowing lines. Before applying fiberglass, the foam molds were prepared with a protective coating to prevent damage from the resin solvents. Sheets of fiberglass fabric were cut to size and applied over the foam. A thin coat of resin was carefully rolled on to help the fiberglass adhere smoothly, with multiple layers added for the desired thickness and strength. Proper lamination ensured a seamless finish, and each fiberglass piece was separated after curing into a rigid and durable structure. Every part was custom-made based on precise vehicle measurements, and adjustments were made after rechecking the fit. The fabrication process extended to adapting the Ford to fit the Volga's body panels. Glass from the original car was carefully removed, and industrial-grade cutting tools were used to trim the roof and other parts. Masking tape was employed to guide cuts and maintain symmetry during alignment. Before making permanent modifications, the team mocked up the body panels to identify areas for improvement. For instance, wheel arches were widened, and the overall track width was adjusted to ensure stability and a bold stance. A manual pipe bender was used to curve steel pipes for the custom roof structure, which added rigidity and served as a foundation for external panels. Welding was done meticulously to avoid weak joints, while mock-up panels were tested and adjusted before finalizing the design. Fiberglass panels were applied and sanded to create smooth, seamless lines that optimized aerodynamics, including a teardrop-shaped rear to reduce drag. Adjustments to the stance and suspension allowed the Volga's boxy profile to evolve into a sleeker, more flowing design. Steel panels were installed along the edges to strengthen lateral sections, while elements like door handles were sourced from the original Volga. Body fillers smoothed out dents and scratches, followed by a layer of primer to prepare the car for painting. Fiberglass was strategically applied to reduce weight, improve efficiency, and add functional features like rear spoilers and a vented hood. Impact-prone areas were reinforced with fiberglass for energy distribution, and the team balanced aesthetics with modern touches such as a lowered roofline and widened body for a sleek, seamless look. As the project evolved, the team realized the Ford Probe chassis might not handle the engineering demands of the Volgatti. They opted to use a BMW 6 Series chassis for its superior compatibility, structure, and performance. The BMW body was dismantled, leaving only the chassis, drivetrain, suspension, and essential mechanical systems. Metal components were welded into place, and the front and rear brackets were reshaped and reinforced with steel. Fiberglass layers added strength to high-stress areas, while custom cutouts for air intakes and headlights enhanced functionality and style. Panels were trimmed and aligned with temporary fasteners, allowing iterative adjustments and preventing visible seams. High-performance adhesives and fillers ensured proper alignment for strength and aerodynamics. With extensive trial and error, the team treated fiberglass panels with resin for waterproofing and added unique details like retractable badges. Before final assembly, thorough inspections ensured all custom panels were sanded, smoothed, and treated with primer. The chassis was cleaned and all mounting points were reinforced, completing the transformation of scraps into the stunning custom Volgatti. The mechanical modifications began with the removal of the stock suspension and various components to expose the car's underlying structure. This allowed the team to thoroughly evaluate the original mounting points and determine whether re-engineering was necessary to accommodate the new design. Significant changes were made to the front section, including adjusting the front mirror by cutting it with precision tools, sometimes even using fire for reshaping. The radiator was relocated to align with the new front-end geometry, requiring the fabrication and welding of custom brackets to hold it securely in place. The team carefully calculated the clearance to ensure the radiator's position did not interfere with other components. Additionally, the piping connecting the turbocharger to the intake manifold was adjusted for optimal performance and fit. To enhance the suspension, a dedicated electronic unit was installed to manage its behavior, ensuring the car could handle its new design and weight distribution. A custom wiring harness was created to integrate the suspension system with the car's ECU, allowing precise control and adaptability. Finally, rims and wheels were carefully selected to complement the bold, aggressive, and luxurious appearance of the car, tying the mechanical upgrades to the overall aesthetic. The final stage of transforming the Volgatti involved meticulous painting and finishing, ensuring the car's aesthetics matched its innovative engineering. The team chose a striking paint color, balancing elegance and boldness to reflect the car's fusion of retro and modern design. The color was carefully selected to enhance the vehicle's contours and flowing lines, ensuring it stood out while maintaining a timeless appeal. The painting process began with priming the car's surface. A high-quality primer was applied to create a smooth, even base, ensuring the paint adhered properly while preventing rust or imperfections. Once the primer dried, the first coat of paint was sprayed on using advanced paint spraying equipment. This step required precision to maintain consistency and avoid streaks or uneven patches. The team worked methodically, layering multiple coats of paint to achieve a rich and vibrant finish. After the final coat, a clear protective layer was added to enhance the shine and provide long-lasting durability against environmental factors. Special attention was given to finer details such as the alignment of panels and ensuring seamless transitions between sections of the car. Using industrial-grade tools and techniques, the team sanded and polished the surface after painting, removing any imperfections and achieving a flawless finish. To highlight the car's custom features, fiberglass elements like the rear spoiler and vented hood were seamlessly integrated into the design and painted to match the body. The result was a masterpiece, a vehicle that not only embodied luxury and performance, but also showcased the craftsmanship and dedication of the team. From the reflective sheen of the paint to the subtle yet striking details, the Volgatti was brought to life as a stunning, one-of-a-kind creation. Transforming 3 old cars into a custom-built Bugatti replica was an extraordinary feat. From dismantling donor vehicles to crafting custom parts and fine-tuning every detail, the Volgatti stands as a testament to creativity, skill, and dedication. A huge thanks to the Axes team for their hard work and all the supporters and fans who followed this journey. Your encouragement made this project possible. Enjoyed the journey? Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more custom builds and exciting automotive projects. Share your thoughts on the Volgatti and let us know what you'd like to see next.